keteng bat ya chaprang jong kajing shai bat kajing kermen. Kadhadu menta kasngi kajing don jong kibriye ki belayo yakani kajing pang novel coronavirus kala kiyo shadu lai hajar lai spa nyo pho saungut bat kajing don pat jong ki belayap nakani kajing pang kala poi hadu nyo pho nyongun. Katkum kajing te belayo lung na katanat ka koi ka kya laong ba kajing don jong kibriyo ki belayo yakani kajing pang kalong lai hajar lai pho sau ngenong biang lai hajar lai pho ngut bat arspa nriu pho nriu ngut kibala koi bat kibala pelaj no madi wei pan ulap het no kani katanan kala pentibru bakala bala don sa artli ki jinja ha ka beide bat kani ka jingpang kawai ha karnataka bat kawai pat ha tamil nadu kani katanan kala pentibru ya ka jingdon jong kibriye kibala yap na kani ka jingpang kilong arpho sawat na maharashtra shipho na gujarat Nyungut na Telangana, Nriungut na Madhya Pradesh, Nriungut na Delhi, bat Sangut na Punjab. Kajingpang klam coronavirus kalapinyap palat Saupo san hajar ngut kibriyo hakari Europe, kadba prapo san persen naki kidai kibawan nakari Italy, Spain, France, bat nakari Britain. Naka Henriulak arpo nyo hajar arspa laitli ki jingja ladan kumba saupo Henriu hajar laipo lai ngut ki balayam bat kadoba Europe kadai kawe kadoba kabala shak ta'jur naka jingpang COVID-19 ki atli kiri ki bala shak ta'jur nakani ka jingpang kilong ka Italy hakabala dan hadu khatsan hajar laispa Henriu po arngut ki balayam bat kawe bat kabade ka Spain kabala dan hadu khatwe hajar Nyospa saupo saungut ki balayam. Hari France ki balayam nakani ka jingpang ki don Henriu hajar sanspa Henriu pongut bat Britain pat kaladon hadu sau hajar laispa khat laingut ki balayam nakani ka jingpang. Ka Defence Public Sector Undertaking bat Ordnance Factory Board jongkatnat yada kari kalami syakmat bani kun persya yakani ka jingpang COVID-19. Ordnance Factory Board kalabu arspa prapo tali ki jingthia isolation haki spotli ki hospital ki badan haki Henriu tali ki jalla jongkari kata ka vehicle factory ka badan ha Jabalpur ha metal and steel factory ka badan ha Ishapur bat West Bengal ha gun and shell factory ka badan ha Kosipur jongka West Bengal ha ammunition factory ka badan ha Khasi jongka Maharashtra ha ordnance factory kwadon ha Kanpur jongka Uttar Pradesh ha ordnance factory kwadon ha Khamaria ka heavy vehicle factory kwadon ha Avadi jongka Tamil Nadu but ha ordnance factory kwadon ha Medak jongka Telangana hakbadi bat ka jingwa jingtem uwe buru ratip kerteng umanish tribewal ubalawan Saka Shillong ha ubenai bela de blayo yakni jingpang COVID-19 nakaliang jo umintri ka kwat kakya and family welfare uba AL hek hne kasni ula pente ba uni ubrio ha ka jingwan jong uha Shillong ula let mani kendo mat armut ki wei pat ki brio bat yakni ki armut lala aban itu no ha bai kren bat kilar patai ko bor hne kasni uba AL hek ulo ong ba utribel war ula wan Shillong ha ubenai leber Bad ulah let ya kendo ya armut kibriyo, bad ya kini ki armut kibriyo la deban let test, bad ya report jongki on sayo ala syai kesni. Ula pentibru ba kini ki armut kim shem lapen I, bandan kinu kidak kishin, hakabala aban ong ba ki yo ya kini ke jingpang, bad baro armut naki la shem ba kedon kemet kapat ka bakoit bakya, kat hadu menta. Kibor Senshar District jong kakamrup hini kasni sa jan, Hakasi sa jan jong katayo kilalit ban khang ya ka jingrum jingmi jong kinu ki brio niki kali na ka Spanish Garden ka way na ki jaka ka barem dor ka badan hagwati ha ka ba utrebur wa usang lasa kenagalan kalayo pediang na kasarka pedeng ya ka installment ka baning gong ka balong arpo point sanpo klur tingka hapo ka State Disaster Response and Mitigation Fund nakabentag jong tasnem arajar arpoe hakbay kren ba syakinong tok hubor ujoni rong may Special Duty Officer Jongka Nagaland State Disaster Management Authority ulo ong baka sarkar jilla kan sa penunkam 40% nakani ka song pisa bakila yo na ka sarkar pring banile persya ya ka jingpang COVID-19 hakas ngi tho ading Jongka tayo ulo ong ba nakani ka 40% na deban mang sam lak nakabenta ki we ka Disaster Management Authority kiba don haki khatwetili ki district Jongka jilla Nagaland komshiben ta ban kershan ban ai jingerap nakabenta ki nong balasngi ba ki longying baduk hakini ki arpwis ngi badan ka jingkhang dam ni ka lockdown. Palok news nga players ngomentan ya ka kubol kerpang hakabay day bat COVID-19 ya ka bala wallam shipi na ka regional news unit Jongka All India Radio Shillong.
The Prime Minister Narendra Modi's call to switch off lights of the homes at 9 p.m. for 9 minutes and light up diyas, candles or mobile flashlights to display the nation's collective spirit to defeat coronavirus. In a tweet, Prime Minister reminded people of the exercise saying 9 p.m. 9 minute. In a video message, the Prime Minister said, "We will experience the superpower of light, clearly illuminating the common purpose we all are fighting for." He said, amidst the darkness spread by the corona pandemic, we must continuously progress towards light and hope. The number of confirmed novel coronavirus cases in the country has climbed to 3,374 today, while the death toll rose to 77. Health Ministry data said the number of active COVID-19 cases stood at 3,030 and 266 people were either cured of the disease and discharged and one had migrated. The Health Ministry reported 2 new fatalities, one each from Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. According to the ministry, Maharashtra has reported the most coronavirus deaths at 24, followed by Gujarat 10, Telangana 7, Madhya Pradesh and Delhi 6 each and Punjab 5. The coronavirus pandemic has killed more than 45,000 people in Europe, around 85% of them in Italy, Spain, France and Britain, with a total of 46,033 deaths, out of 6,27,203 cases. Europe is the continent hardest hit by COVID-19, Italy with 15,362 deaths and Spain with 11,744 are the 2 worst hit countries in terms of fatalities. France has recorded 7,560 deaths and Britain 4,313. Defence Public Sector Undertakings DPSUs and Ordnance Factory Board OFB of Ministry of Defence have pitched in to shore up the national fight against COVID-19. The Ordnance Factory Board has planned for 280 isolation beds across 10 hospitals spread over 6 states in the country. They are located at Vehicle Factory Jabalpur, Metal and Steel Factory Ishapur in West Bengal, Gun and Shell Factory Kozhikode in West Bengal, Ammunition Factory Khasi in Maharashtra, Ordnance Factory Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh, Ordnance Factory Khamaria, Heavy Vehicle Factory Avadi in Tamil Nadu, and Ordnance Factory Medak in Telangana. In view of the detection of COVID-19 positive patient Manish Tibrewal, who visited Shillong last month, the Health and Family Welfare Minister A.L. Hegg today said that the individual met 2 persons in Shillong and both of them have been identified. Talking to media persons today, A.L. Hegg said that Tibrewal visited Shillong on March and he met 2 people and a sample of the 2 individuals have been sent for testing and reports are supposed to come tomorrow. He also informed that the 2 individuals whom Tibrewal met so far does not have any symptoms and both of them are in good health. The Kamrup District Administration on Saturday barred the entry and exit of any person or vehicle from Spanish Garden, a luxury high-rise apartment in Guwahati where Tibrewal was staying. Nagaland has received from the centre its first installment of rupees 20.50 crore under the State Disaster Response and Mitigation Fund SDRMF for the year 2020 to 2021, a senior official here said. Talking to reporters, Johnny Rangmai, officer on special duty, Nagaland State Disaster Management Authority NSDMA, said the state government would have 25% of the total amount received from the centre to bolster its efforts to fight the COVID-19 crisis. The Disaster Management Authority in all 11 districts of Nagaland has been sanctioned rupees 5 lakh each for extending relief and support to the daily wage earners and the poor at the state's quarantine centres amid the 21-day national lockdown, he said on Friday. Government has urged people to wear homemade masks to keep coronavirus at bay. In an advisory, Health Ministry asked people to wear face masks, particularly when they step out of their houses. It said social distancing and personal hygiene are keys to prevent COVID-19 infections. Industrialist Mukesh Ambani, his wife Neeta Ambani and Reliance Industries Limited have donated rupees 1 crore towards the Chief Minister's Relief Fund. The Chief Minister's office in a Facebook post thanked the Ambanis and Reliance Industries Limited for their generous donation, saying, and I quote, "Donations from responsible corporate citizens will go a long way in championing our collective fight against COVID-19, unquote, the post said. Listeners, that was a special roundup on COVID-19 brought to you by the regional unit of All India Radio. Please stand by for the program that follows.